Top 2, top 3 all ride the high line down to the white flag. Anthony Slaney out there idling around slowly on the bottom. Let's hope he doesn't impact the outcome of this one. Down the back straightaway for the final time. Checkered flag is going to wave. Anthony Slaney. That's exactly what he was going to do. That's exactly what was going to happen.
Everybody, thanks for tuning into the channel. We're back here at Placerville. It's our last points race of the season for this track, but for the Xteme Series, it's I think we got 4 more to go. Tonight we're running with no roof, so they're calling it the topless. Never done that before, so this should be quite interesting. Anyway, we're second in points. We're 10 up on Jay. We're quite a bit back from Jinkerson, so it's going to be a rough ask. We would need him to break or something, which he's been pretty dominant here at this track. So anyway, if you can, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, comment, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys who already subscribed to the channel. Stay tuned.
Rod Oliver, Dan Brown Jr. from the front row, Matt McKelly, Tyler Lightfoot, and Josh Combs. Looks like no 7-7 of Michael Anderson. Down to the chalk stripe, Rod Oliver, Dan Brown Jr. Lighten it up. Off turn 2 down the back straightaway, Dan Brown Jr. will snag the early lead over Rod Oliver. Jensen Construction, A-Hart Racing, number 15, and Dan Brown Jr. He'll accept the Coors Light white flag, last call, in the final late model heat race of the night. Good form out of that number 15 car. Almost a full straightaway up on the rest of the field. Checker flag is going to wave. Dan Brown Jr. takes the checkered flag in heat 2.
All right, heat race is over and got the jump on the start. Maybe went a little bit early, but it wasn't too bad. So got the win for the heat race, and then Dan Jinkerson won the other heat race. He drew a 3, so we start 6th for like the 5th time this year. So we got to move forward. So we'll see what we can do. Car's all ready to go. We're just waiting for our division to get called, and here we go.
Make some noise for the Mountain Democrat Limited Late Models. Tonight, also one of the Xteme Series events traveling to around Northern California. As these cars and stars go 3 wide topless here tonight, a little different vantage point for all the race fans here in the stands and at home on Floracing. as they roll off turn 4. Letting them hear you in Sacramento. It's the Mountain Democrat Limited Late Models. Good restart for Slaney. Dan Jenkerson tight. However, we got cars coming together on the inside. Close quarter racing. Your top 3 cars all right there. You see definitely some sheet metal damage, at least for Slaney up front. Dan Brown once again abusing that cushion. 14 laps down. Dan Brown Jr. trying to let it all hang out on the high line as he pursues Anthony Slaney. Dan Jinkerson catfishing down low behind them. It's Matt McKelly. Off zone over Dan Jinkerson. Well, your top 2 pound the cushion through 1 and 2. Jay Norton looking inside of Matt McKelly for the 3rd spot. Top 2, top 3 all ride the high line down to the white flag. Anthony Slaney out there idling around slowly on the bottom. Let's hope he doesn't impact the outcome of this one. Down the back straightaway for the final time. Checkered flag is going to wave Anthony Slaney. That's exactly what he was going to do. Dan Brown Jr. fended off Dan Jinkerson and the rest of the field. Green, white, checkered into the ANRAC start zone. Dan Brown once again powers upstairs. Dan Jinkerson down on the inside, coming after the leader. Into 3 and 4, Jinkerson down low. Dan Brown Jr. upstairs. They're side by side to the white flag. Into 1 and 2, Brown's going to float through the middle, slide up, catch the cushion. Here comes Jinkerson after him again. Final set of corners. The checkered flag will be awaiting your winner. Who's it going to be? Dan Brown by inches over Dan Jinkerson. That was about as wild as you can get right there at dirt track racing. Dan Brown Jr., his first win of the year. How about it? Pumped up crowd. You're going to have one very happy winner down there with PJ Peterson momentarily.
Crowd on their feet. He gets a salute from Dan Jinkerson. He climbs up top. Tonight's limited late model feature event winner. Make some noise for Dan Brown Jr. His salute to you in the topless limited late model. Helmet is off. He can breathe easy. He can celebrate. Dan Brown Jr., the first thing I can say is wow. Walk us through that one, man.
Oh, I don't even know where to start. Just completely out of breath. I knew we had a fast car when I passed Jinkerson on the bottom. I mean, nobody's done that this year. So, and then me and Slaney were going down the backstretch, and he hit me, and I knew he knew I wasn't there. And then on the last lap, he left the lane open, and then we just came together. I didn't try to spin him or nothing, but absolutely horse crap, him taking me off, coming to the checkered.
Talk to us a little bit about that as with crowds chanting. Obviously, you come up on him, seeing kind of going at a slower pace. What's going through your mind knowing the race is coming to an end?
Not a whole lot. I've been so close at this track so many times. I haven't won here since like 2013. We won at Antioch, Marysville. This place has just had it out for me. So I saw Jinkerson get underneath me, come into the white, almost the same thing that happened last week, and I had to pinch him and just protect on that last one. I needed this win so bad.
You say you needed it. You're breathing a sigh of relief. How sweet is it to win the season finale here at Placerville Speedway?
Oh, it's awesome to finally win here. This is like my home track. Won a bunch of championships here and wins, and this is really sweet. Our season's not over. We're going to Antioch and Marysville for this extreme race, although I don't know about that with his son doing that. So anyway, I'm really excited right now. I got to thank Dennis and Carol Ahart, the car owners, for helping me putting this in here, and my wife, my kids, 2 of them up here in the stands, and Glenn for helping me. So this is really, I'm pumped.
Pumped up indeed. He wins a hard-fought battle. Make some noise for Dan Brown Jr.
All right, well, it's the next morning. I didn't have a chance to do a video last night. It was absolutely pandemonium. After we won, we couldn't go up into the pits, and then finally went up into the tech area scale, went through all that stuff, and then had to wait over there for a while before we can go back to our pits. Some people not happy last night, so a lot of fighting going on and all that stuff, so really unfortunate. But we got the win last night. Dan Jinkerson got the championship. Happy for him on that one. He definitely deserved that one. He kicked our butts a lot this year. So I don't know the rest of our season how it's going to go. I feel like we were having a really good racing battle, and I'm not saying we didn't touch, but I definitely didn't spin the 4-car. As you saw in the video, I don't know what your take is on it. Let me know what your opinion is, but I feel like I definitely barely tapped him, and he just went around, and that was, a couple laps earlier, squeezing me up the backstretch and side-by-side slammed me up the backstretch wall, almost had a break there. So I was definitely out of the gas when we went into 3. So, I mean, take it for what it is. That's what happened, and then he pulled some iRacing move that gets you suspended for a week, in the fake world. But to us to work that hard on our cars and get slammed like that, coming to the checker by a car just waiting around on the inside waiting for me to pass them was, just unfortunate that the night had to go that way. But anyway, we'll wait and see what's going to happen with this whole series, and we'll go from there, and we'll keep you guys all updated. If you can, please hit that subscribe button somewhere down here. It's free. It really supports us, and give this video a like if you can. Comment. Let me know what you think about the whole night, and we'll catch you next time.